Namaste. Welcome to day 2. Make your way down to butterfly, please. Soles of your feet together. Open your inner thighs. Hold onto your ankles. As your spine lengthening, pull your shoulders down. Chin slight tuck down and close your eyes for a moment. Breathe in fully. Cleansing breath. Open mouth. Blink your eyes open. From here, we take seated cats and cows. As we holding onto our ankles, gently push your belly forward, chest forward, hugging your elbows toward the back and chin up. As you exhale, carefully lean back, rounding your spine one vertebra at a time. Look toward your belly. Shall we go through 3 more? Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. One last round. Very nice. And now coming back to neutral in your butterfly, swing your left hand behind you. So use your fingertips as a kickstand to lifting up your spine taller. Bring your right hand on top of your right inner thigh softly. Breathe in, lengthen, exhale. Just a little bit pressing your inner thigh down and look over to your left shoulder. Very good. Back to the center. Let's switch. Right hand behind you, left hand on top of your inner thigh, creating space on your inhalation. Exhale, carefully twist. Very good. And coming back to the center. Lean back, plant the palms behind you. Open your legs about shoulder distance apart. As we sit up tall like this, flexing your feet, so pressing your heels down, and begin to rocking your legs side to side. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now twist toward to the right side, walking yourself up and sit up tall like this and hold on to the front leg. If this is too much, you can release your outer hand down toward to the ground and sit up tall. If you can manage, hold on to the front leg with both hands, lifting up taller. Exhale, carefully lean forward and down. Very good. Inhale, come up tall. Exhale, hinging from the hips, not from the lower back or upper back. So lean forward and down. Let's add in once more. Inhale, up. Exhale, lean forward and down. Very good. Coming back to the center, lean back together, knees up, and twist toward to the other direction. See if we can sit up tall, other side. Again, you can use your outer hand as a kickstand to sit up taller. If you could manage, hold on to the front leg together and lean forward and back. Breathe deeper. Exhale. Release any stiffness and tension from your hips. One last round. Beautiful. Let us lean back, knees up, and legs straight forward. And gently shake it out. Good job. Keep your inner thighs and knees together. Lean back again, knee to knee touch, and gently rocking side to side. Massage your glutes and moving on to your hips. Very good. And now make your way to child pose. Keep your knees together or your choice, knees apart. Relaxing your hips down to your heels, extending arms straight forward. Breathe in fully. Exhale, melt your hips and your chest. Coming forward to table. Now if your knees were wide open, keep them together. From here, keep your knees together, inner thighs together, and rocking your hips gently side to side. See if you can walking your hands a little bit forward, so creating room on your hips to circle forward, to the side, and back. Very good. One more, same direction. And let's reverse. Beautiful. And let's come back to neutral table. Tuck your toes under, make your way to downward facing dog. Feel your upper body lengthening as well as your legs. Full body stretch. Full breath in. Empty it out again. Beautiful. Feet together touch, gazing forward. Big step forward. Halfway flat back, hands to your shins or up to your thighs. Exhale, fold forward. Place your both palms on top of your lower back and slowly come up, one vertebra at a time. Extending arms up high over your head. Catch your right arm and gently pull up and lower to the left side. Beautiful. Back to the center. Switch. Catch your left hand and pull up. Exhale. Lower to the right side. Well done. Come back to the center. Exhale. Arms down by your side. Heel to open your feet. Hold onto your hips. And as you soften the knees, go ahead. Rocking your hips side to side. And now as you rock to the left side and circling forward, right and back. Two more, same direction. And let's reverse, 3. Come back to the center, heel to open your feet even wider, about mat distance, and turn your toes to the outer side. Arms up over your head. As you exhale, prayer hands at your heart. As you're pressing, think about you keep rising and lowering down. So this keeps going to the opposite direction. At the same time, keep turning your inner thighs to the outer side. If this is your maximum, you can relaxing your hands down to your inner thighs and just gently push to the outer side. If you can manage to go a little bit further, lower the hips, continue to stay in prayer hands, your elbows going to your inner thighs. Watch your lower back is not hugging down like this. Your tailbone tilting slightly back, so you have arch on your lower back, mid back, and push your breastbone forward. Watch your feet. Weight not collapsing to your arches right now. Edges pressing firmly down. Breathe in, lifting up to your chest. As you exhale, releasing your hands down. Big step back to downward facing dog. Well done. Walk it out. Beautiful. We'll take one vinyasa float together. Come high onto your tippy toes and rounding your spine forward to plank position. You can release in your knees or keep them up. Chaturanga, Dandasana, all the way to your belly. Pressing your feet, so think about your pointing. Roll your shoulders, lifting up to your chest, cobra. Exhale, lower down, nice and easy. Tuck your toes, one line straight up or upper body up first. And back to downward facing dog. Big breath in again. Side it out. Beautiful. Releasing your knees down to tabletop position. So walk your hands in line, shoulders in line with your wrists. We're almost there. Pressing your feet, extending right leg straight back. Keep your hips in line, so belly button facing down. From here, carefully lower your forearms down. Bend your knee. Push your leg up a little higher without arching your lower back. So you want to really engage your core to protect your lower back by sucking your lower belly in. Open your inner thigh with your hip to the side. Pull your knee close to your right arm. Down, touch your left knee. And circling back up and open. Very good. One last round. Reverse 3 rounds. Look between your thumbs so your head is not dropping down too much. Very good. Extending right leg straight back. Using your core to push yourself back to your palms and send your right leg over to the side and pressing your foot down. Checking your right arch in line with your left knee. On your palms, go through cats and cows. Inhale, arch your lower back, mid back, upper back, and gazing up. Exhale, if you could, turn your fingers all the way towards your knee. If this is too intense, turn them to the outer side, chin to the chest. Let's go through once more. Inhale. Exhale. Very nice. Coming back to neutral. Fingers facing forward. Lifting up your right leg up. Knee to knee touch. Hips back. Child pose. Well done. Come up seated on your heels. Extending arms up over your head. Exhale, pray your hands down to your heart. Continue on the left side. Arms up over your head. Rotating your wrists all the way down back to tabletop position. Left leg extending straight back. Breathe in. Exhale. Carefully lower your forearms down. Ready for left hip circle. Left knee bend. Lifting up a little higher. Open your inner thigh with your hip and circling 3. Up, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Let's reverse. Well done. Extending left leg straight back and pressing yourself up to your palms. Send your left leg over to the side, pressing your foot firmly down. Checking again, your bottom knee in line with your arch. Going through cats and cows. Inhale. Do any other arm variations. Exhale. Inhale. Try crossing your arms from here. Exhale. Very good. And come back to neutral. Uncross your arms. Knee to knee touch. Back to last child pose. Breathe in. Side it out. Coming forward back to table. And make your way to Sukasana. Now as we sit up tall, take a moment to again scan through your body. Place both palms on top of your heart. Chin slight tuck down. Appreciating your efforts and dedication to get on the mat. Extending both arms up over your head. Now together pray our hands down back to your heart. Let us finish our practice with one sound of Om together. Inhale. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Looking forward to seeing you on day 3. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.